Hi everyone, this is your math guru. In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply the Pythagoras Theorem in finding the area of the shaded region. We have SQUA is a square with sides of 30 centimeters each. RECT is a rectangle that fits exactly inside the square, such that its vertices touch the sides of the square, and EQ, QC, AT, and AR are all lines equal to x centimeters. We have to prove that the area of the rectangle RECT is equal to minus 2x squared plus 60x. The first step is to take note of all the parameters given in the question. I'm going to start with the equal sides. That's EQ, QC, and AT. They're all equal, so I have EQ equal to QC, AT, and AR, and they are all x centimeters. I'm going to put my x. The next statement to take note of is SQUA is a square. All the sides of the square are equal, so I have the distance QU equal to 30 centimeters. Therefore, because the total distance Q is 30 and Q is x, I have CU to be 30 minus x. Likewise, if I know that the total distance AU is 30 and it is x, then I have TU to be 30 minus x. The area of a rectangle, so I have area of the rectangle RECT is your length times your width. In this case, if I go back to the diagram, my length is CT or ER, and my width is my CE or TR. So I have that as CT times CE, length times breadth. To find the value of my CT and CE, because it's embedded in the square, all the angles in a square are 90 degrees. And because they are 90 degrees, I have two triangles to use. That's triangle A and triangle B, such that the Pythagoras theorem can be applied. So, starting with the line CT, I have CT squared using the Pythagoras theorem. That's the square of the longest side is equal to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So I have CU squared plus TU squared. The right angle triangle I'm using is highlighted below. That's your CUT. So therefore, I have that as Pythagoras theorem. My CT squared is equal to CU squared. I have that as 30 minus x all squared plus 30, that's TU squared minus x all squared. I'm not going to expand. You'll see why shortly. I have TU squared equals, because I have the same content, it's as similar to saying x plus x, which is 2x. So I'm going to write this is 2 times 30 minus x all squared. Therefore, to find the value of CT, I'll find the square root of both sides, and therefore CT is equal to 30 minus x in bracket root 2. What I've done is to apply the surd rule that states that if I have square root of a times b is the same as square root of a times square root of b. So therefore, square root of a, 30, or I have that as 2, 30 minus x all squared is the same as square root of 2 times square root of 30 minus x all squared. So going back to my calculation, I've been able to find the value of CT, that's the distance CT, that's in centimeters. The next step is to find my CE, because I need that to find the area of the rectangle. So using the same formula or Pythagoras theorem, I have CE all squared is equal to the triangle B. I have EQ squared plus CQ all squared. The rule is Pythagoras theorem. CE squared is equal to EQ is x squared plus x squared. So therefore, CE squared is equal to 2x squared. Therefore, finding the square root of both sides to find CE, my CE is equal to x root 2. Therefore, to find the area, we have area of rectangle RECT equals the length times breadth or width. That's equal to CT times CE, as stated here. That will be equal to your length, or I can call that AX as shown in the question. My CT is 30 minus x root 2. Please don't forget to click on the like and subscribe button below for more easy to understand math concept. Multiplying my CE, I have that as x root 2. And if I multiply that out, I have 2x multiplying 30 minus x, which is equal to 60x minus 2x squared. Therefore, my AX, or I've been able to prove that the area of the rectangle or the shaded region is equal to, that's the same as minus 2x, that's starting with the second term, plus 60x as shown in the question. Thanks for watching. Bye.